Congratulations on collecting the keys to your new home. Now, you might be wondering about performing a special ritual for your first door opening. If you don't have any family rituals to fall back on, here's a simple improvised custom to bring in good, vibrant energies as you step into your new space. Here's what you'll need: huat cake, sea or rock salt, uncooked rice grain, a pineapple, and a compass. First, knock on the door before opening it. As you open it, say some auspicious words or phrases. Then, roll in the pineapple while speaking auspicious words again. Next, open all windows and doors to allow fresh air to circulate throughout the house. Sprinkle sea salt and rice grains at all corners of the house to absorb any stale or negative energies. Stand in the center of the living room, use the compass to locate the northwest sector, and place the huat cake there while saying auspicious words. Remember to clear away the food, sea salt, and rice grains after 1 or 2 days. Now, you're ready to proceed with your home inspection. Performing this ritual can bring positive energy to your new home. And if you want more tips on creating a harmonious space, comment Reno below to receive free exclusive tips on the top 5 Fengshui mistakes to avoid during renovation.